All right, so welcome back to the Hollis Favorite Garden. Many blessings to you all. I wanted to show you guys some of the things and plans that I have for next season, the upcoming winter, and what I just got from Green Talk. So as you can see already, this is it. Um, have I got these because of the what do you call this thing? The seed starter kit, and I'm gonna show y'all that in a minute. But I just slid it in there. Um, the seed starter kit that I just got, they just got done with their sale, and I just got it today because they had some orders that they were putting out. But anyway, so I wanted to show you guys these because I like these. You know how we get our little white tags that we stick in there and we always lose them. But look at these. They're so cute. This is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so they come in a pack of 32. But I got 64. Because just in case. Just in case. You know, just in case. And then they send the free seed, which is always nice. And I love these. If you watch my videos, you see that I have these on my red green stalk. The tomato, I should say, green stalk. And I absolutely love these. These are 97 cents, and I believe they're still 97 cents right now, and they come in a pack of 6. I would get some of these to put on a green stalk because all the rain we've been getting, they've not rubbed off nothing, none of that. So we'll do that. And then this late fall, I'm gonna put these, or whenever I go back out in the garden, I'm gonna put these out in the tree for the trees. These tree spikes is food, and it says it produces more food. Fruit. I said fruit. They're organic. I'm not gonna open them. You can see what they look like right here, and they come in a pack of 8. You can get these from your local Blaine's Farm and Fleet or Tractor Supply. They have some that aren't organic, but this is how they look when they are organic. Sorry for the glare, but I'm gonna try it because you forget to feed those new trees, and they don't do so well. But it says to put. No, that's a lie. I ain't putting no 3 to 5 spikes. Anyway, I will put 1 because these are thick. I'll put 1. All they would need is 1 because they get their food anyway from the ground. So I'll put 1 per tree, and those are the directions. So I'm going to be using this instead of having that granule and have to go around my trees because I definitely forget. And then those new trees you forget because I still haven't put that apple, the Granny Smith apple tree in the ground yet. And I'm like, you know what? I want to feed my trees, and I do feed them, give them a heavy feeding over winter before the snow comes. But I'm like, I'm going to try this and see if it does produce more fruit. So yeah, that's another thing. So that's the thing that's coming for the fall and or right before winter or whenever I go outside. And then I got some more of these, the trellis. They come in a 3-pack. I absolutely love these because they are great for the beans, the green beans. Let's see what else. Your miniature or dwarf plants or your pepper plants that are small dwarf, same thing. And I absolutely love them. So yeah, I use these. I got some more. I'm already using them. Plus I use their other system, but I really do like these. And then I feel like these are very important, the seed houses. For when you put your seedlings out, or, okay, this is tied up all the way. For when you put your seedlings out, or when you are planting from seed, like sowing seeds out there. It protects that seed from any birds coming in trying to eat the seed that you just put in your green stalk, because they will, I'm telling you now. What is that? Oh, yeah, no. Oh, no. She said, don't take my toy. But yes, the seed house. She said, I don't want to. I'm trying to get it off the thing, yeah. Oh, goodness. But if you watch our videos, you've seen these. And then go back and watch the videos and how I place them and hit the like button and share them. So, yeah. I really like these to protect your seedlings and to protect your seeds in the green stalk when you put them out. Spring, fall, whichever one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know what I'm going to try? I'm going to put I said I was going to put the cloth up, but I'm going to also see if this will work too over the strawberries to give them a little protection also. So that right there. And we'll see. We'll see. We'll just see because I can't do it on any other plants because they'll be too big. But the strawberry, I might use that for the winter. Now, let's see. I wanted to open this with you guys. Look at that. The seed starter kit. They got razzleberry. What does she have? Does she want some tea? Oh. You have to share. Oh, look at that. Look at my toes. But look at that. That's pretty cool. Oh, look at that. And it says if you need more templates, you can scan this code and you can download more. How cool is that? That's awesome. So you can put what you've planted and when. So that's pretty good. That's pretty cool. Put what you planted and when. I like that. And then they give you tips for seed starting, to plant, and all that. And if you have questions, bring talk support. I like it. Oh, look at that. And they come with the domes. Oh, look at that. That's going to be nice. That is going to be awesome. Look at that. I don't know if I'm going to put some. It's nice. Does this lock also? It does. Uh-oh. It locks in. I like it. These are tall and nice. These are tall for your big plants, too. I like that. And it seems like you can keep these in here for a while. Like your strawberries. I mean, I said strawberries, goodness. Like your tomato plants. That's nice. This is nice. And then it has the handle so you can carry, and it still has holes through there. And guess what else? It has a tray to hold water. I absolutely, I absolutely love that. What's wrong? She dropped it. Okay. So yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. And they give you plenty. They just had that sale. I hope you guys really did take advantage of that sale. Even if you didn't, they always have something going on each week. Each week, I believe, or every other week or so, or sometime. Just check the website. And I will link the website in the description box. Even if you are not a brand new green stalk user, Still click the link below in the description box to let Greenstalk know that Hollis Urban Garden sent you over so you can support our channel that way. And also by liking, sharing, and subscribing. And for new Greenstalk gardeners, you can get $10 off of an order of $75 or more, which is completely awesome. Super awesome. So that link is the same link, and you would use code Hollis Urban Garden at checkout and go ahead and get your $10 off. They actually have a sale right now for the Ultimate Mover, which is awesome. They're advertising it and showing how you can use it indoors, but you can also use it outdoors. So go ahead and click the link in the description box, get your $10 off, or go ahead and click that link in the description box and let Greenstalk know that Hollis Urban Garden sent you over. Don't forget to use that code Hollis Urban Garden. And many blessings. Thanks for watching, guys.